Hi guys, if you've ever been looking for a really good quality email service that isn't so expensive and that does not require a lot of messing about with SMTP servers and third-party email sending services, etc. Something that just works straight out of the box, okay? This is a tool that I recommend. Now we've integrated this with Lead Blaster as well, so you can just connect with the API key for SendFox to work with Lead Blaster. And this tool is called SendFox, by the way. And it's a fantastic tool. It's owned by the same people that own Appsumo and Sumome plugin and Buzzsumo. And it's coming from that kind of quality of product creator. It costs $49 right now if you buy from the link underneath my video. Don't go straight to sendfox.com, you won't see that offer, but you will get the offer directly underneath this video for $49, and that will give you 5,000 subscribers, but you can stack it so you get 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 subscribers every time you spend $49 on it, okay? And this is really cool because if you're using my Lead Blaster app, then you're going to need it. I'm telling you, that's just in 1 week where we have got 219 people into this particular list, and in the period of 1 week 223 already. Just keeps going up. So I fully expect I'm going to be using my 20,000 quota in this one. I'm going to have to buy some more. Here's the thing about these email services: you can get all the hyped up sales pages on places like Warrior Plus and JVZoo, etc. The thing is, most of those require that you've got some messy SMTP set up, okay? No matter how good that app is, no matter how is portrayed to be, no matter how easy they say it is, it's never easy. I bought a well-known one about a year ago, and I spent two times for somebody to go and integrate the services I needed to make it work, and guess what? I never ever used it, okay? I never used it. It was so messy. They couldn't do it with this kind of web hosting or cPanel. They needed me to go and buy Namecheap web hosting to make it work. Oh, for goodness sake, I was all over the place. I paid the guy $70 and I paid another guy about $120 later, and so altogether I could actually bought like 4 stacks of SendFox and had 20,000 emails subscriber limit with the same money, and it works straight out of the box. And it's really easy, really easy. You've got smart pages, you've got forms to create a form. It's really simple. Look how easy this is. Create a form, and you can put in here Lead Blaster, and I'll put in here for trial. Okay, sorry, I have a missing button here. One of my buttons fell off, and here we can subscribe it to a list. Okay, so you've got your form, you're going to assign it to a list. I'll put in here 1,000 subscribers in 30 days challenge, and I'll tell it I want the first name, I want the last name, and the button copy can be anything. Okay, so I'll just click on this to publish a form, and that's connected to my list. Okay, if I want to create a new list, it's very easy. Just come in and create a list, give it a name, create the list, you're done. It's really stupidly simple stuff. Okay, so it just works straight out of the box. Okay, no messy SMTP stuff or anything like that. You can add some domains if you want to from sending. You can do some other things as well with RSS automations. You can actually have an RSS feed come from websites, your blogs, for example, WordPress sites, even your YouTube channel, and you can use that so that it will pull in. For example, if I click on emails here, you can see the RSS has pulled in my latest video that I've just uploaded this morning. There's 4 videos I put in this morning about Lead Blaster, about building rankings for Chrome extensions, and using VidAttack Alpha so that we can rank web pages with video views, that kind of thing. I've got these in here already pulled in for me to use if I want to. I can just send them out to my list. If I want to, you can set up some series as well, like an autoresponder series, and it will even give you a list of all the content you've got on your blog, etc. If you want to use that, you just checkbox it. It's simple stuff, and it's not confusing, and it's one-time cost, and it comes with all the hype, but it does what it's supposed to do really well. Okay, so what about the open rates? Well, here's one that I sent the other day, 24%. I forgot, I had a messed up link. Okay, my link wasn't working. I had to send it the next day and I got 23%. This is pretty good. Okay, let's come in again. You can see it's been pulling in the RSS feeds. I went a bit crazy with my RSS feeds that I added. 29%, 27%, 30%. This is decent, okay? We've got good open rates, and that's using their SMTP servers. I'm not even using my own. Perfect, okay? So it works straight out of the box. $49 for 5,000. Stack it up. I was paying Aweber something like nearly $200 a month, probably over that actually, per month, for having a 20,000 list, okay? 20,000 list is $200 one time, lifetime. Never have to pay it again. Chalk and cheese, okay? Really chalk and cheese. And it's good. It's very good. My open rates are much higher than Aweber. Much higher. And everything seems to be working pretty well, okay? I haven't got my full list in here right now, but it's building up. And I will start to move people over, but I'll get them to move over naturally, so that way I can sort of filter out the ones who are not responding anymore. The other good thing about SendFox is my coder actually told me this because he was working with their API to integrate it with Lead Blaster, and what he found is that if somebody gives a fake email, then SendFox will delete it. Okay, so that's another feature that is really cool. So for the price, you can't beat it. For the deliverability, you can see here it's working pretty well, okay? For the ease of use, super simple, really highly recommended. Get it from the link underneath my video, okay? Yeah, I do get a commission. I get $10, I think, in Appsumo to be able to use. So if you buy from my link, then I've got some extra money there in that account to use to buy some other things that I want to test as well. And I will do as well a video on how we can set up a system, a simple system where we can have links created that will automatically get people pixeled for retargeting from Facebook, from Google Ads, from Twitter, from Quora, from Pinterest, all at one time, okay, with one link. And how we can then take that link and use it as an opt-in. Okay, we can actually get social authorization opt-ins. Some people will have seen that if you've been to my squeeze pages lately for any of the checklists, you will notice that we have a Google authorization so that we can collect a real email, and it's a single opt-in. That increases conversions as well, and you can make that work with SendFox, but there's a tweak that you need to do to make it work with SendFox as well. So I'll do that video as well for anybody who purchases from my link. Just send us an email and I will give you the link for that. Okay, thank you.